Hey y'all, welcome to third grade, chapter 1, lesson 9. We're going to go ahead and get started with number 2. So I kind of did what they did on number 1, and I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? So you have to take away 28. So I did my number line, okay? And I subtracted 10, 10, 3, and 5. Now that equals 28, okay? Now I did 10 and 10 because it gets me evenly to 73. Then I'm taking away 3 to get to 70. And then I just have 5 left over. So I'm getting 65. Okay. Okay. So on this one, I'm going to do something a little bit different. Okay. So I'm going to, instead of taking away 9, I'm going to take away 10 and then I'm going to add 1. Okay. So if I take away 10, I get 41. Then add 1 back, I get 42. Okay. So you're either drawing or describing. So we're going to describe. I took away 10 and added 1. Boom. Okay, done. Okay. With the bigger numbers, it's easier to go ahead and do that number line. Okay. So we're going to start at 76 and we're going to take away 23. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to take away 10. I'm going to take away another 10 because that's 20. Now I have to take away 3. Okay. So minus 3. So if I take 10 away, I get 66. Take another 10, I get 56. And then if I take away 3, I get 53. Okay? Not so hard once you get used to it. Okay? So this one can be a little more complicated. You ready? So we're going to start at 357. I'm going to take away 2 hundreds, 100, 200. So I'm going to get 257, 157. So I'm going to write my minus 100, minus 100. Okay? Now I'm going to take away a 10. Taking away a 10 gets me 147. Okay? Now I'm going to take away, oh, here, let me put that I took 10 away. Okay. Now I'm going to take away that 4. Okay? Minus 4. So now I'm going to get 143. Okay? All right, I want you guys to go ahead and try taking away 100 and then adding 1. Okay? Instead of doing the number line, take away 100, add 1 back because it's only 99 that you're taking away. Okay? All right, Ruby has 78 books. 31 books are on the shelves. The rest are still packed in boxes. How many of Ruby's books are still in boxes? So we're going to 78, take away that 31. Okay? So I'm going to do this. I'm going to go 78. I'm going to take away 30. 1, 2, 3. So 68, 58, 48, then 1, 47. 47 books. Okay. All right. Kyle has 130 pens in his collection. He has 76 of the pens displayed on his wall. The rest are in a drawer. How many pens are in a drawer? Okay. So 130. We're going to take away 70 first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 take away 10s. Okay. So 120, 110, 90, 80. Oh, I skipped 100. Sorry. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60. And then I'm going to take away that 6. So 54. 54 pins. Okay. Not so bad once you get used to it, guys. Okay. All right. So we're going to go on to the back where you guys are going to do the lesson check just like always. And we're going to do this power review. Says for a party, Sean blew up 36 red balloons, 28 white balloons, and 24 blue balloons. How many balloons did he blow up? Well, instead of trying to add all those up long ways, I'm going to do 30 plus 6, 20 plus 8, and 20 plus 4, because there's 36, 28, and 24. Okay? Now, that 6 and that 4 give me another 10, which leaves me with 8 on the end. And 10 plus 30 is 40, plus 20 is 60, plus 20 is 80. 80 plus 8, 88 balloons. Okay? Don't forget that you're adding a plus sign there. You're not just adding on the 808. Okay. Tiffany has read 115 pages of her book. She has 152 pages left to read. How many pages are in the book? All right, well, there's 152 pages left to read. Nope, hold on. Oh, we're not doing this. Are you kidding me? We're going to go 152 plus 115. We're going to add those up. And whatever it is going to be in pages. Okay? So 2 plus 5 is 7. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 1 plus 1 is 2. 267 pages. Okay. The flower shop has 568 flowers on Monday. By Tuesday, the shop only has 159 flowers left. How many flowers have been sold? Okay, so we are going to okay, let's do the number line. Okay, so 568, and we're going to take away 100. There's 100 there. Okay, which gives us 468. Okay, then we're going to take away 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 10s. Okay, so 458, 448, 438, 428, and 418. Then I need to take away 9. Okay, let me do it another color here. Okay, I'm going to take away 9. Okay, so actually, you know what? I'm going to take away that 8 first, and then I'm going to take away 1. Okay, so if I take away the 8, I'm at 410. And then if I take away 1 more, I'm at 409. Okay, so although it says about how many, so about 400 flowers. Okay, the other way to do that would have been 568 would round to 600, and 159 would round to 200. We would get 400 if we subtracted. Okay, since it says about 400 flowers. Okay, there are 383 books in one section of the school library. Of the books, 165 are fiction books. Estimate the number of books in that section that are not fiction. Okay, so 383 would round to 400, and 165 would round to 200, and subtract, we get 200. So about 200 books. Okay, guys, thanks for hanging out for 1.9. Come on back for 1.10. See you soon.